Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're taking a look at my top 5 1 in 400 Gemini jets. Coming in at number 5 is the Ryanair Boeing 737-800. This one is my top 5 favorite because it is a very successful budget airlines overseas. That is number 5. Coming in at number 4 is the American Airlines A320-200. This one is my 4th favorite. I love the Airbus A320s, and American Airlines is a very successful airline here in the States, and I love the silver body. Coming in at number 3 is the Air New Zealand Boeing 777-200. This one is my 3rd favorite. Simple reason, it's an all black livery, and I love it that it is all black. I see this thing fly over my house from time to time, and it is an amazing plane to see. Coming in at number 2 is the Air France Boeing 777-300ER. I absolutely love this plane. I love how long the body is, love the livery of it. I see it fly over quite often where I live here in California, and I'm always asking myself, how is that thing flying when it's that long? I love this plane. Coming in at number 1 is the Southwest Boeing 737-800. I absolutely love this plane. It is my top favorite plane of all time. I have flown on this exact plane many times from Phoenix to Vegas and Phoenix, California. Love this plane.